Here's another powerful website you need to check out.
Did you know that if you visit this website, you can see real-time flight traffic around the globe? Yes, there's still traffic in the skies. You can click on any plane and know where it's from and where it's heading. What's more amazing is that you can enter your flight number here. So I've checked the Philippine Airlines database. It's now 2:12 in the afternoon, so the flight should have departed. Let's check. Wow, too accurate. This 3D view makes it feel like you're driving the plane.
Hello, this is Captain Carlos speaking.